Once a year, the Lone Star State witnesses a legendary event where drills roar, ladders rise, and the prices drop harder than rain in a hurricane. It's the United Tool and Fastener one-day sale.
Somebody say one-day sale? Woo!
This is a sale too big to escape.
This is gonna be a huge sale. And now that I'm looking around, why is everybody else so small?
There's only one thing we can do for a sale this big.
Time to load up on these prices and blow him away.
This is the event where you will find legendary deals on products from DeWalt, Milwaukee, PIP, Werner, NAC, Magnum, Prime Source, and STI.
Man, Bill, you almost got too big for the one-day sale.
Thank goodness I'm made low.
And fuzzy.
Huge savings, small prices, one legendary event. Come see us on November 6th in Houston, November 13th in San Antonio, and November 20th in College Station. United Tool and Fastener, where experience builds.